we are going to review the Gel Splash Lip and Cheek Stain ng Lucky Beauty. So, it has 5 shades. So, this is Lifeguard, Skinny Deep, this is Jammy, Punch, and Surf Slip. Surf Slip, this is Jammy, this is Lifeguard, this is Skinny Deep, and this is Punch. So, ito yung shades ng kanilang lip splash, gel splash pala, lip and cheek stain. So, we're going to use one combo. So, si Lifeguard gamitin natin. Sorry, I have a pimple here. Okay. Pwede na siya. This is a good one. I want to mix it with Punch. Okay. This is a good to try. Gusto ko siyang haluin with Skinny Dip. Kasi ito sa Skinny Dip ay you can create a perfect MLBB look. So we can use this cheeks. Let's see. It can use. I-combo na lang natin kasi kanina I like to combo this sa lips ko because it's so cute. This is great. I'm not being attached here, but it's a good product, guys. Okay. It's a great combo, guys. I love it. I super duper love it. And so it can be used for cheeks, and it's blendable for cheeks and lips. So ito talaga yung formula ng product nila. So this is a great one to try.